In today's video, I'll show you how to install the GTA Vice City Next Gen Edition mod step by step without any errors. First, you need to have the clean unmodded copy of GTA 4 installed in your PC, and then check my video description for this mod link. Just double click on the mod, and before installing, go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the GTA 4 game folder. Select the GTA 4 game folder and select folder option. After adding to the exclusion, just close off here. Double click on setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK and select next. You need to select the GTA 4 game folder and select OK and select next option and then select next. Create desktop shortcut and select next. Install. After installation done, uncheck this launch and select finish. To avoid errors, open the redist folder and install this VC redist and install the DirectX. And after installing these two programs, right click on the GTA 4 and select open file location. Open the GTA Vice City Next Gen Edition folder. Click on any folder and press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all. Just right click and select cut option and then go back. Paste it in GTA 4 folder. Select replace the file in the destination. And now you can launch the game. Select the play option. Once you are in game, you can enjoy the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.